Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce a very important web-based platform that's called Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a freely available tool that's based on graphical user interface. It has three important applications. One, it can be used for 3D designing, for prototype design. It can also be used for electronic circuit design, where we can perform electronic circuit simulations. Further, it may also be used for code blocks, where a particular application can be programmed through a graphical user interface called code blocks. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how Tinkercad can be useful for performing circuit simulations. To start with, open web browser, type tinkercad.com and search it. Here we have the dashboard of Tinkercad. We have the option of sign up. If we already have signed up, then we can sign in. Here we can sign in. There is option of Google sign in. If we have Google account signed in, then you can directly sign it using Google account. We can check our account details here. Under the designs tab, we have three options: 3D design, circuit design, and code blocks. Let us start designing an electronic circuit. For that, we will click on this create, then circuits. Here we will reach to circuit designing option. Here we can change the name of project as according to our requirement. Let's design an LED circuit. For that, we will rename it as LED circuit. Here on the right hand side, we can see all the basic components. We can also search any of them. We can select basic or all electronic components. Selecting all, then we can also search for any of the devices or components. For example, we are searching here 9-volt battery. Now drag and drop here. Now drag and drop this resistor. We can change its value. Let's say 330 ohm. We can change it to units as well. Now let us search for an LED. Type LED. Here we can drag and drop LED. In case of LED, we can select any of the colors as available in the menu. For example, green, yellow, orange, red, blue. Here we have the option to flip any electronic component by using this mirror option. We can also rotate any electronic component by using this rotate option. Let's connect the circuit. We are using this resistor to limit the current through the LED for the safety of the LED. This is a testing circuit just to see how Tinkercad can be used for circuit designing. We are just connecting here cathode terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. We can change the color of the wire to black. Now we will be connecting this positive terminal of battery to the anode terminal of this LED. Let's change the color of this wire to red. This makes a distinction of various connections that are used in the circuit. To check out this circuit, let's click on the simulations. Here we can see this blue color LED is glowing, and now stopping simulation is turns off this LED, again turning on and off.